Hey guys! Let's make ice cream with clay today. Let's do! We are using brown clay for making cone of the ice cream. Yay! Ta-da! Oh! Wow! Amazing! Now give the shape of the cone. Take a yellow clay for upper layer of the ice cream. Wow, it's look really amazing, guys. Yay, it's fantastic. Hannah, guys. Both the ice cream is completed now. Adding extra topping on the ice cream to look amazing or more yummy.